Want your designs to pop instantly? In this Canva tutorial, you'll master text effects that can transform plain words into powerful visuals, even if you're just starting out.
So to start, first we will need a heading that we will be working with. We will go to text, add heading and give it a name. Let's say Canva for beginners. We will select this and we will go to drag and drop it here. We will drag and drop this here. We will go to effects and you can see there are exactly 9 effects available. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate this 9 times so I can show you how each and every effect works. So there we have separate headings for each of our effects. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna go to click on the heading that we want to apply effect to. We'll go to top toolbar and go to effects and we will apply shadow effect to this heading. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to color and we're gonna apply a dark gray shadow. We're gonna give it a offset, so increase a little bit of offset, increase a little bit of blur and transparency. There you can see how our shadow effect works. Now we will go and select the second heading and we will go to lift. Now once we select lift, there are not too many options to work with, so it's only intensity. What we're gonna do is we're gonna select increase the intensity a little. So there you see there's a lift effect applied in the background. You see this is our basic text, this is our lift effect, and this is our shadow effect. Next we're gonna go click on effects and we're gonna go hollow. See, so hollow is just outline to the text, empty inside. We can change the thickness, increase it or decrease it here according to our needs. Now we're going to go to the next. We're going to select splice. It's just how the name suggests, splice. It splices the inside of the text. You can change the thickness of splice. The thickness actually changes the outline's thickness, you see. And we can offset, we can see change the direction or offset of this however much we want. We can change the color, so let's say if we want to go with light blue, we can go there. So you see, that's how our splice effect works. So next one, we're gonna go and select outline. Outline is as the name suggests, it gives your font the outline. You can change the color of the outline to something like green or light green, or we can go with blue, but this blue won't be visible behind, so we're gonna go with, let's say, light gray. See, that's how the outline font works. We can change the thickness, we can increase or decrease it as much as we need. Next one, we're gonna go with echo. Echo is just like the name suggests. We can it gives your font an echo. We can change the color to white, and you see, there we go. We can change the direction. Let's keep the direction as is. We can increase the offset, so how far it goes, and there we go. That's how the echo effect works. The next one is glitch. Glitch is, again, as the name suggests, like computer glitch or something, and you can bring offset, and let's keep the direction to this, and we can choose between 2 kinds of glitches. So there are your options. The next one is neon. For neon to be applied properly, you need to select a neon color like pink, and we can go to back to effect. We can go to neon and increase the intensity. Let's not apply bold to this, that way it looks good. So that's how the neon effect works. Next one is background. This is, to me, this is a very useful effect. I use it a lot in my videos and in my projects. Let's reduce the roundness to 0. Let's reduce the spread to 0. Works fine for me. Transparency, let's keep it to 100%. So there we have it. These are all the effects applied. This is our basic, and these are all the effects applied to it.
If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe. This was just the beginning. In part 4, we're designing powerful YouTube thumbnails that get clicked. Subscribe here to keep learning Canva, one step at a time.